वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, माय यूट्यूब चैनल LIS एकेडमी। फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि मैंने आप लोगों से वादा किया था, एज पर आवर प्रोमिस आई एम डूइंग वीडियो इन इंग्लिश। दोस्तों, मैं अपने वादे के अनुसार अभी आप लोगों से अंग्रेजी में ही कुछ वीडियो कराऊंगा और फ्रेंड्स इसके बाद फिर कुछ प्रैक्टिस सेट कराऊंगा, देखता हूं, या फिर कम्प्लीटली एक नेट की सीरीज चलाऊंगा। और आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक शेयर ज़रूर करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना न भूलें ताकि नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे। डिजर्टेशन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट बेसिकली इज ए गाइड टू डॉक्टरल डिजर्टेशन सबमिटेड इन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ US एंड कनाडा, USA और कनाडा। डिजर्टेशन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट इंटरनेशनल comprises two sections. Index translation is being published by the UNESCO. Bibliotheca Bibliographica was compiled by Pethold. Bibliotheca Universal was compiled by K. Jenner. World Bibliography of Bibliographies was compiled by the Bates, T. Basterman. INB started in publication from the year 1957. The Webster's third new international dictionary was published by the G.C. Merriam. Publishers Weekly is published by the R.R. Bowker. Accession list South Asia is a accession list. Indian dissertation abstract is published by the NASA Dog. Indian Library and Information Science abstract is published by the ISLIC. The Guide to Indian Periodical Literature is published from the Gurgaon. Collection and provision of information various sources over a period of times is known as the long range and reference service. Union list serial in the libraries of US and Canada was brought out by the Wilson. The appropriate source find out the address of an institution's learned society is a directory. The world best book is selective bibliography. National Information Center NIC is associated with the Information Service. Indexing periodical are ground under the secondary source information. Books in print and who is who of Indian writer is a secondary sources. Directories provide information about the organization. A geographical dictionary of the place arranged alphabetically is known as gazetteer. The author who defines reference service as the process of establishing contact between the right reader and his document in the personal way. S.R. Ranganathan. A compendium of knowledge is known as the encyclopedia. Indonesia was evaluated by the CMC. Knowledge of recent development is known as current awareness. Patents are regarded as the primary sources. The appropriate source of the finding background information on Ajanta's arts is the encyclopedia. Sendog is located at Hyderabad. The main originator of the citation index is the E. Garfield. World of Learning is a directory. The appropriate source of the finding information about property of heavy water is the handbook. Who is Who of Indian Writers in 1961 was published by the Central Sahitya Academy. The most appropriate source for finding information about the list of monuments in Delhi is the guidebook. Demographic Yearbook 1948 provides vital statistics of the Asian countries, Latin American countries, European countries. Right answer is all of above. Yeah, all countries. Dissertation Abstract International section is deals with the humanities and social sciences. International Serial Data System Center is at Paris. The study of books as object of art is known as the historical bibliography. Medlar's database provides the Index Medicus. Local information unit is one of the components of the NISAD. The appropriate source to find out the astronomical information is Almanac. Geographical dictionaries is referred to as gazetteer. The concept of ready reference service was first introduced by the C.M. Winchell. Bibliography is a systematic list of documents. The author of automation in libraries is R.T. Kimbler. The frequency of Inicetum index is the semi-monthly. The procedure of INSPEC UK is Institute of Electrical Engineers. Annals of Library Science and Documentation is published by the INSDOG. The periodical University News is published by the AIU, Association of Indian Universities. AIU की फुल फॉर्म होती है. The frequency of Data India is weekly. The National Bibliography of Indian Literature covering 1901 to 1953 was published by the National Library. The publisher of current research in the field of LIS, Library Association. The author of information to reference work is the M. Hutchinson. Gray literature generally refers to the unpublished documents. The National Union Catalogue of Science Serial in India is brought out by the INSTOG. Research Guide to the Periodical Literature is a indexing service. The Publisher Weekly by R.R. Brauker is a weekly list of the American books. The title of the Walford Guide reference source is the Walford Guide to Reference Sources. The frequency of the books in print is the annual. Indian National Bibliography INB became monthly since 1964. The publisher of the books in print is R.R. Brauker. Under which type of the information source does current contents the secondary? The roster of Indian Scientific and Technical Translation is published by the INSDOG. The frequency of current bibliography is the monthly. The publisher of the Demographic Yearbook is UNO. Lexicography is the art and science of preparing the dictionaries. द नेशनल ट्रांसलेशन सर्विस इन इंडिया इज लोकेटेड एट इंसडोग। Government official notification, announcements and orders are the first in Gazette, directing of the users appropriate source of the information available. Algebra is known as STI, Selective Dissemination of Information, चयनित सूचना प्रसार सेवा। तो फ्रेंड्स ये आज का वीडियो था। दोस्तों बहुत सारे दोस्त कहते हैं कि सर हम लोग इंग्लिश में पेपर कैसे देंगे हिंदी मीडियम के। तो दोस्तों मैं भी हिंदी मीडियम का हूँ, लेकिन ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन है, आपको लिखना नहीं है या आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज बना करके लिखना है। जो भी क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं उन्हें 5, 7, 10 बार सुनेंगे एक एक वीडियो को, तो फ्रेंड्स ईजिली आप लोग कर पाएंगे। और बहुत सारे कंपटीशन में हिंदी में बड़ी टिपिकल होती है, कहीं हिंदी की जैसे